The supplemental restraint system in your Honda Accord is a critical safety network that protects you during crashes. This system includes multiple airbags, seatbelt pretensioners, and sophisticated sensors that work together. When the SRS warning light appears on your dashboard, it indicates a malfunction in the safety system that requires immediate attention. This light should never be ignored, as it means your airbags may not deploy properly in a crash. The SRS system consists of multiple interconnected components throughout your vehicle. Each component must function properly for the system to provide maximum protection during a collision. Based on recent data from 2020 to 2025 Honda Accord models, clock spring failure is the most common SRS problem, accounting for 35% of all cases. This is followed by seatbelt pretensioner issues at 25% and airbag control module problems at 20%. The clock spring is a coiled electrical connector that maintains power to your steering wheel controls while allowing the wheel to rotate. When it fails, you'll typically see the SRS warning light along with non-functioning horn and cruise control buttons. Newer Honda Accord models from 2022 to 2025 feature significant SRS improvements. These include enhanced diagnostic capabilities through better OBD2 integration, updated airbag control modules with superior fault isolation, and improved wiring harness designs that reduce common failure points. Remember, the SRS system is designed to save lives. Ignoring warning lights can compromise your safety in a crash scenario. If you see the SRS light, seek professional diagnosis immediately to ensure your safety systems are functioning properly. Diagnosing Honda Accord SRS problems requires professional-grade diagnostic equipment. The Honda Diagnostic System, or HDS, is the industry-standard tool for accurate SRS troubleshooting. Some SRS repairs can be performed by experienced DIY mechanics. Clock spring replacement is the most common DIY repair, typically taking 2 to 3 hours with moderate difficulty. Critical SRS components require professional service. Airbag control module replacement needs Honda HDS programming, while airbag replacement involves hazardous materials requiring special handling procedures. The automotive industry is advancing SRS technology with Honda sensing integration and AI-powered predictive diagnostics. Regular maintenance includes monthly SRS light checks and annual professional diagnostic scans. Properly functioning SRS systems reduce injury severity by 45 to 60% in accidents. Addressing SRS issues promptly is critical for occupant safety and ensures the system will protect you when needed most.